Hey guys, so today I decided to do a very short video about how to induce loneliness, anxiety, paranoia, and insanity. The first step is to enter a room, preferably a small room like this. Walk inside, and then close the door behind you. Lock it. And then sit inside this door and inside this room for about 6 months. After the next 6 months, you may or may not, during this period, feel extreme loneliness, depression, and other mental illnesses. It is highly recommended that if you want best effect and maximum pain and discomfort, that you only leave the room for food and water. Make sure that everything is within close distance. Make sure that the bathroom, the toilet, the shower, your clothes, and everything can fit within a very small confined area. If it is not within a very small and confined area, your depression, loneliness, and other mental illnesses and mental issues may or may not occur and may not become real issues. But again, in this tutorial, we are trying to maximize pain, discomfort, loneliness, and other issues. Make sure that when you are in said room that you add padding on your walls. Close the windows. Do not have open windows like mine. And make sure that you keep all windows closed at all times. Do not, under any circumstances, allow yourself to leave the room and disconnect all contact with other human life forms. Make sure that during this period of time that you are not exposing yourself to anything that could potentially make life more pleasant or more positive. Remember, we are trying to increase insanity, discomfort, and other mental illnesses. We are also trying to give ourselves maximum loneliness and discomfort. This is something that may take effort, and you may not be able to do it yourselves. You may need to go and find a nice confined room somewhere with little to no light and just put yourself in there until you go crazy. Anyways, make sure that you do this for about 6 to 12 months. It is highly recommended, though, that the longer you stay within the room, you will have the best effect. Anyways, have a fantastic day and enjoy.